Wow, what a change after the burning period of about 3 days. Starting with the bass, after my initial confusing impressions, I must say that the bass is now almost perfect for my taste. It is tight, yet organic with deep and impactful tones. The bass has excellent definition and natural timbre, particularly for wooden instruments. Furthermore, it never bleeds into the mids. Moving to the mids, I believe this is the star of the show. The voices are extremely lifelike, with a very natural and organic feel for both male and female voices. The definition is outstanding, and the separation and timbre are excellent. I was also pleasantly surprised with the high frequencies of the ATH AWAS. They present a sparkling character with great extension to the notes, superb clarity and separation.